So hello friends, welcome to Binary Computer. So in this video, I will show you how you can upload your projects on GitHub. So I will show you the step-by-step process. You can upload your project on GitHub. So follow that process and you can upload your files and folders of the project on GitHub. So without wasting your time, so let's start. So we use these tools, that is Git Bash, Visual Studio Code and GitHub website. So if you are not downloaded the Git Bash, so please download it, go to the browser and type Git Bash. I will provide a link in the description. So click on that link and just download for Windows and download the Visual Studio Code. I will provide this link also in in the description. So click on Windows and download the Visual Studio Code. So after that, download Git Bash and Visual Studio Code, then create a repository on GitHub. You have to, if you have an account on a GitHub, login GitHub account. If you have not a GitHub account, so please create a new GitHub account, and after that you have to click your profile, then your repository. After clicking your repository, it's showing like this window. Then click on new. So you have to create a new repository. So I will and give the repository name is same as the project name. Then you can add some description over here. So I will just click skip Java public private, so I will make it as a public and just create a repository. So it is showing like this window. Then next step is open project in Visual Studio Code, VS Code. Then open your Visual Studio Code. That you have to click on these three lines, then files, then open folder. You have to open your project folder. So my project folder is project name, so I will just click on it. So this will open in my Visual Studio Code. See that. Then open your terminal, open your new terminal in Visual Studio Code. So after that, open VS terminal code, then type git hyphen version. You have to type only once. So git hyphen version. So it is showing the GitHub version, Git Bash version you have downloaded in your laptop or PC. If you have get any error during this command, so you have not properly downloaded, so please download it again. So after that, we have to next step is the configure Git. You have to type this command, that is a git config hyphen global user dot name. So you have to give a here name is same as you have created account on a GitHub. Like in this case, my username is the Nikhil 7028. So I will provide my username in this double quotation. Then second command is git config hyphen global username dot email, and I will provide the email those who are used me to create a GitHub account. Just type this command in Visual Studio Code terminal. So the command is git config hyphen global user dot name, and we have to give a username. In this case, my username is a Nikhil 7028. Then enter. Then after that, you have second is git config hyphen global user dot email, and you have to give a user email here. So the my email ID is after that enter. Then after that, you have to verify it whether the name and email ID is configured or not. So you have to just type git config list hyphen list. So it is configured successfully. So the next step is next sixth step. Okay, sixth step. The sixth step is the git init. So you have to initialize the git repository. So git init. After that, it is showing the initialize a empty git repository. So if you open your project folder, you have to see that the one folder has been created .it git. So after that you have to, next step is the uh, link. You have to link your repository to the git. So the command is git remote add origin, and you have to provide a link of that repository. So just type git remote add origin, and the link is after that the repository you have created, this link you have to copy and then paste over here and then enter. So there is a spelling mistake, so they remove. Okay, the repository has been linked to git. Then the next command is to verify, so we check git branch. Okay, the successfully it has been linked. Then the next is step is the to rename the branch. So we have just, so you see, the next is git branch. So next step is git commit um, hyphen yum some image. You have to commit that changes. So just click git commit hyphen yum and provide some message and okay, if some showing the unwrapped file. So you have to, you have not added, so just click git just add. Okay, it has been added. Then commit. Then you have rename the main branch, that is git branch hyphen yum main. So the default repository in GitHub is the master, so we have to rename it. uh, it is optional, you can give, you can skip also it, but you have in the next command you have provide the master. So I will rename the that branch. So just click. Then we have to push the project on GitHub. So the command is git push hyphen u origin then main, and then just enter. So this spelling, there is a spelling mistake, so it will take some time. And okay, the your project has been successfully uploaded on GitHub. So you have to open your GitHub and just refresh this page. So your project has been successfully uploaded on the GitHub. Okay, these are all the steps you can follow and upload your project on GitHub. So if you understand how you can upload your project on GitHub, so like this video, comments, and comment if you have any doubt, and then share this video and subscribe to Binary Computer. Thank you for watching. And if you want to this document, so just comment me a command, so I will provide a link to download this document. Thank you.